Artificial voices are perfect to create recordings that are easy to edit. There were many versions for this video, and using artificial voice saved time in production. Stim combines natural voices with great user experience. Create recording by adding text content into the editor. Choose a voice that suits the language of content. In the list you can listen to voice examples.
Darwin published his theory of evolution with compelling evidence in his book On the Origin of Species.
Click on the example button in the audio player to prepare a short recording to check.
Ada Lovelace was an English mathematician and writer, chiefly known for her work on mechanical general-purpose computer, called the Analytical Engine. End of sample. Continue with Create Recording.
To prepare the whole recording for download, early access is needed. We work hard on creating the best text-to-speech editor. That is why we use early access to connect with our users. Click on Create Recording and then ask for early access. Use the code for creating the first recording. This process is needed only if you are a new user. Preparing audio can take a few seconds. When recording is created, use an audio player or download an MP3 file to the computer. Rewrite text by clicking on the Edit button and then create a new recording. That is all you need to know.